Is the shifting market a challenge or an opportunity for home buyers? If you tried to buy a home during the pandemic, you know the limited supply of homes for sale was a considerable challenge. It created intense bidding wars which drove home prices up as buyers competed with one another to win the offer. But what was once your greatest challenge may now be your greatest opportunity. Today, data shows buyer demand is moderating, and in the wake of higher mortgage rates, here are a few reasons why this shift in the housing market is good for you. There were many reasons for the limited number of homes on the market during the pandemic, including a history of underbuilding new homes since the market crashed in 2008. As the graph shows below, housing supply is well below what the market has seen for most of the past 10 years. But that graph also shows a trend back up in the right direction this year. That's because moderating demand is slowing the pace of the home sales, and that's one of the reasons housing supply is finally able to grow. For you, that means you'll have more options to choose from, so it wouldn't be as difficult to find your next home as it has been recently or in the past. And having more options may also lead to less intense bidding wars. Data from Realtors Confidence Index from the National Association of Realtors shows this trend has already begun in the pretty much 3 months ago, so to speak, showing in their recent reports. So if you've been outbid before, or you've been struggling to find a home that meets your needs, breathe a welcome sigh of a relief. The big takeaway here is that more options and less competition today. Just remember, while easing data shows multiple offer scenarios are still kind of happening, really turnkey, great looking products land, they're just not as intense as they were over the past year. You should still lean on an agent to guide you through the process and help you make the strongest offer up front. Bottom line, if you're still looking to make a move, it will be time to pick up your home search back up today, and let's connect and kick off the home buying process. So feel free, DM me, comment me, or call me, text me 702-686-1668. Thank you.